So, as any of you who have ever had a cast or a splint know, and that's almost all Americans, and in fact, millions of Americans right now are wearing a cast or a splint, you know that you can't practice basic hygiene, like sanitizing your hands or even washing your hands or taking a shower to even have a snack or eat, especially during a global pandemic, but just in general. Your basic hygiene practices are limited. You can't swim, you can't do any of those things while you're immobilized. And that's true for millions of Americans. So that's what we're set about to change, is to make a hygienic, breathable, washable, waterproof alternative to traditional casts and splints.